In front of me is Oukitel C33, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Connected Devices right away. Then tap on Connection Preferences, select Printing and default Print Service. Now wait, your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service, remember to disable this one first. Go back and click on Add Service under the default one. Now just download the best one for your printer, and when it's ready, go back to the same printing settings. Finally, tap on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!